everyone, myself Cheryl Bhatnagar and welcome to my channel Binding Society with Cheryl, and today we are here with another book review, and this one is Ikigai, The Japanese Secret of Long and Happy Life. And this book actually starts with talking about a small village in Japan, that is Okinawa village, where author has surveyed people, and most of the people in that village live up to the age of 90 or 100. So basically this book deals with their lifestyle, their daily routine and their habits that contribute to the longer life. And the first thing that this book tells us about is to finding our Ikigai. What is Ikigai? Ikigai is actually finding your passion in life, something that will make you get out of your bed and work on it. That is the first thing that we have to learn from this book. Another thing is filling your stomach up to the only 80%, and why? There is a scientific reason behind it. So if you overeat, your cell has to work a lot to digest that food, which will eventually result in cellular disintegration. But if you will not fill up your stomach and eat less, the body has to work less, and it will contribute to your longer life indirectly. Another thing that I really liked in this book is they talk about radio taiso. It is a type of PT exercise that we used to do in our school with our friends. And similarly, this book also tells about having that kind of 15-minute exercise session with the community, with the people we know. So it kind of generates a sense of brotherhood as well as keeps your physical body active. Now, a lot of people in India does not talk about mental health, right? And it is a very important part to take care of our mental health as well. We exercise, we take care of our physical health, but what about mental health? So this book also tells us about the importance of meditation in our life. One thing that I want to quote about this book is that it also talks about sun salutation, Surya Namaskar, which is famous in India, and it also tells that sun salutation, its origin is from India, and kind of makes me a proud of our country, because international bestseller book is talking about something that has been originated in India. So I am a daily practitioner of sun salutation, and trust me, this sun salutation, even if you do 5 sets, it will stretches even all the part of your body. Every muscle is stretched and relaxed, and it is very refreshing in the morning. And it's very good to actually move your body for a few minutes every time you wake up in the morning. And for your mental health, do some meditation for 5 to 10 minutes, which will also refresh your brain, because in India we do not believe in mental health psychiatrists and psychologists, as you all know. And next thing, I really like this book, that people in Okinawa village have always believed in brotherhood. So there has to be always a one person who is there, who will be there to help them. So this kind of community that they makes them happy, because they will know that someone will be having their back always. So these kind of things this book has to offer to us, and if we want, we can really learn a lot from it. And why you should read the book, there is a simple reason. If you want a longer life, you need to learn from the people who already are living up to the age of 90 and 100. And there is also this thing, the people in Okinawa village, they grow their own food, which is organic. It does not have any kind of insecticides, pesticides or chemicals. So this is also a great factor that contributes to their longer life. So yes, this book is very nice book, and a lot you can learn from it. I really like the part where I was talking about sun salutation, radio taiso, and also about not filling your stomach full. There are other many principles that this book has to offer, and I would like to read some of them. It has this kind of summary at the last, and I will read some points that this book offers. So it first says, stay active and don't retire. Take it slow. Don't fill your stomach. Surround yourself with good friends. Get in shape for your next birthday. Smile, which is very important. Keep smiling, guys. Reconnect with nature. Give thanks. Live in the movement. And follow your Ikigai, the most important part. You need to find what your passion is, and then you need to follow it, so that you don't have to retire any time in your age, and it's not important to retire, guys. Keep doing something that makes you happy. Now I'll see you next time with another book review. I hope you like it. Thank you.